Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Windows 10 is activated. This verifies a valid product key exists. Once done, open PowerShell or Command Prompt as administrator so you have permission to read system data. Make sure to choose a secure backup destination, an external drive or encrypted cloud folder, because you will store sensitive licensing info there. You'll also create a simple folder structure now to keep files organized and avoid accidental overwrites later. Now extract the key using PowerShell. Run the given getWMI object command and read the OA3X original product key value it returns. You must copy the displayed key exactly, with hyphens intact, because small mistakes will prevent activation later. Next, paste it into a plain text file for quick reference and immediately create an encrypted copy. Use BitLocker, VeraCrypt, or an encrypted archive on your chosen backup medium so the key remains protected but accessible when needed. Finish by verifying your backup. Try entering the key on a spare virtual machine or check that the encrypted file opens on another device to confirm readability. Make sure you keep at least 2 backups in different physical locations so loss or drive failure won't block reactivation. If the command returns no key, don't panic. Check the UEFI/BIOS OEM sticker, associated Microsoft account for a digital license, or contact the device maker. These often hold the recovery path if the embedded key is absent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.